Right, first time in Monaco, we're going to have a great time, and for my launch of my new channel, Papa D, experiencing different countries and different meals, breaking down borders to religion and attitude. So pleased that it's in Monaco. I am at the present moment, and we're going to do something really fantastic. I really want you guys and gals to really enjoy this experience, because I'm here to bring a bit of life, a bit of culture, a bit of fun, and most importantly, some fantastic meals from around the world. As you can see, the food is really fresh here. And look at these strawberries, absolutely bursting with energy and flavour. So we're going to check out and make a local cuisine of Monaco. So let's go and find out what that will be. Well, let's just stop off. You can see like the fish is really fresh. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Can't wait to dive in and sort something out. Right. Now what I purchased yesterday was some of this. Octopus. Oh yes, I'll bring you something special on the Papa D experience. We're going to have some octopus with some lovely veg. Right, we're going to try the local cuisine of Monaco, and I'm pretty sure my pronunciation is that. And we're going to check that out. Hi. Right. I believe this is the local cuisine of Monaco.
Sorry?
Is that the local cuisine of Monaco, France?
Yeah, it's
you can have it cold. Right. Is it like a fish or is it a vegetable?
Cold, vegetable, yeah.
Ah, it's a vegetable,
Yeah.
right. So I'm able to have that cold with, what is it normally served with?
I don't understand.
Do you have it with meat, fish or anything? Or?
Yes, you have this one, cold fish, and
Cold
roast
fish.
beef,
Right.
turkey,
Okay,
and chicken.
right. I see. Wonderful. Well, I will take a portion of this, please.
Last one more?
Yes, please. So this is what we're going to have. I did purchase some octopus yesterday, so I'm going to have, how is it pronounced?
Sorry?
How do you
Artichoke.
Aftershock.
Artichoke.
Artichoke.
Yes.
So aftershock. And we're going to have that with octopus and some veg, and that's what we're going to create from our stay in Monaco. I'm very looking forward to it. Right, fantastic. Now we purchased what we needed to purchase. I may just get a few little bits and pieces. So watch out for the Papa D experience. And we're going to add a little Papa D twist to our meal. Now look how gorgeous those tomatoes look. You don't get that in the UK. Well, from where I'm from, not tomatoes like that, that size and that richness. We're going to get one of these to have with our meal. Right, we've just come out of this great store here. I'll step across the road and just show you the name of it. Now we purchased this cuisine of France and Monaco called artichoke. So we're going to make a great meal with this, along with some octopus and some beautiful tomatoes. So I'm really pleased for my first meal located in Monaco. We're going to do something special for all you viewers out there. Le Marché. That's where I purchased this wonderful food. We're all going to view and enjoy. Papa D in Monaco, you know, fantastic place to be. And I'm going to be making a special meal today later on. That's going to be octopus and a local sort of tradition food in France, especially Monaco. So watch out and stay tuned for that to occur. But just check out the views of Monaco. So we're going to have a bit of fun here, travelling around the world, and I'm pleased to announce that, yeah, my first stop is at Monaco, launching my new channel, Puppety, World Foods. And we're crossing borders, religions, attitudes, and we're just going to have a good time. And if you're into fun and helping people, check me out, Puppety, on YouTube. Welcome back. We're in Monaco, and look what we're going to savour up for all you listeners. This is a traditional French delicatessen, and I had to write it down in English. Artichaut. Artichaut, it's what the French people absolutely love. It's a vegetable, and they get it all seasoned up wonderfully. And we're having some octopus. And look at this beautiful tomato. So, Puppety show. We're going to just throw this all together and enjoy the aroma and the view and the atmosphere of Monaco. And I'm going to delve into this. This is my first ever live meal I'm preparing, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. All right, look at that beautiful tomato. So let's delve into this straight away. You want some of this, and it absolutely cuts beautifully. Can't wait to delve into this lovely delicatessen. And my first meal on a Puppety show. That, and let's check out this artichaut. Let's throw that in there. Yeah. And some octopus. Never had octopus before. Well, I'm gonna try it right this minute. Open it up. It really smells really wonderful. Let's cut out of it. And the texture, it's not as tough as I thought it would be. Want a bit more. Want to be a bit brave, so let's not do this by half measures. Throw that in there. Let's get some of the juice on that. Plenty. And my verdict. It really is good. Try the octopus.